Welcome to our ultimate guide to the best electronic screwdriver sets of 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional, or just need a reliable tool for everyday tasks, an electronic screwdriver can save you time and effort. We've scoured the market to bring you our top 5 picks, combining power, portability, and value. Let's dive in. Number 5. Cordless drill with hammer function. Kicking off our list at number 5 is a versatile 1-2-inch 1700 RPM cordless drill. This compact hammer drill features a powerful, brushless motor for efficiency and durability. It's designed to be compatible with an 18V Makita battery, making it a great option if you already own Makita tools. This tool isn't just for screws. Its hammer function allows it to tackle tougher drilling tasks. You can find this robust tool for approximately $65.79. Number 4. Mamidw Cordless Compact Drill Driver. Coming in at number 4, we have the Mamidw Cordless Compact Drill Driver. This brushless electric drill is a multifunctional powerhouse, perfect for various tasks around the home or workshop. It's built to work seamlessly with Dewalt 20V batteries, offering excellent compatibility for those in the Dewalt ecosystem. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice power, making it a reliable choice for both drilling and driving. The Mamidw Cordless Compact Drill Driver is priced around $87.03. Number 3. Dewalt DCD805 Lithium Battery 20V Drill. Our number 3 spot goes to a well-known name in power tools, the Dewalt DCD805 Lithium Battery 20V Drill. This professional-grade tool features a rechargeable brushless motor, providing exceptional power and efficiency for both screw driving and impact drilling. Its compact size makes it comfortable to use in tight spaces, while the 20V lithium battery ensures long-lasting performance. You can pick up the Dewalt DCD805 for about $76.03. Number 2. 47 PCS 3.6V Cordless Screwdriver Set. At number 2, we have an incredibly practical option for everyday household maintenance, the 47-piece 3.6V Cordless Screwdriver Set. This comprehensive kit comes with an 1800 base mAh battery, offering good runtime for its compact size. It's portable, lightweight, and includes a wide array of bits, making it ideal for assembling furniture, tightening loose screws, and general home repairs. This versatile set is an excellent value at just $27.03. Number 1. Worx WX242 Smart Cordless Drill Screwdriver. And finally, our top pick for 2025 is the innovative Worx WX242 Electrical Screwdriver Set. This smart cordless drill screwdriver comes with 30-bit sets, providing versatility for countless tasks. What makes it stand out is its USB rechargeable 4V handle, making it incredibly convenient to power up anywhere. It's designed for easy DIY projects, offering precision and ease of use in a sleek package. The Worx WX242 is available for approximately $85.222. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tech reviews. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.